What's up, my friends? Welcome back. I am pretty damn stoked because we figured out how to access this super gorgeous canyon. The entrance got blocked by boulders, but crafty be we found another way of getting in. So pretty right now with all the wild flowers, just gorgeous. So let's get right into it. Welcome back. Today we are in an Icon Bronco. Specifically, this one is built in the new school style, and it is a 1975 and build number 107. This one really took advantage of the styling of new school in this black and kind of military green vibe. Now specifically, it's set up with a proper traditional gloss two-stage paint job, but it then has a 3M satin wrap. So in theory, that'll give you the best of both worlds, where if you're over the satin thing and you want to move on, you certainly may just pull the wrap off. Client also had a special request for us to black out not just the stainless insert on the tailgate, but also the front grille, as well as the side badges, side spear ranger trim, mirrors, and handles. And I must say, paired with the factory style smoked glass, it's looking very mean, moody, and good. The inside is bespoke as well. We did this beautiful suede leather interior. It is a black but very soft to the touch with absolutely zero sheen. We did perforated inserts as well as the two-stage carbon fiber seat heaters. And we did the cool machined Icon Everlast badges in the centers of the front seat backs, which frankly I'm inclined to start doing on all of the custom non-Chilowich interiors. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts on that, but I think it's kind of a cool little detail. Maybe on the old schools, I'll use just the lizard round badge instead to mix it up a bit. I don't know, we shall see. We have power windows with our sexy double tap mechanism. We have power door locks. Of course, the layout of the interior is defined as pretty straightforward new school. So you've got lights, wiper, fan, vent, temp. You've got the push to close, pull to open, uniball rotating, machined anodized aluminum in-dash vents, which deliver really good airflow for AC and heat, courtesy of Vintage Air's latest update they now call the Gen 5. So in the rear, we're running the standard issue tuck and tumble removable 2-passenger bench. Of course, everybody has 3-point seat belts. In the back, you're going to have to deal with not having seat heaters. Poor you. We have the auto dim powered rear view mirror, and we have the Rosen Aerospace sun visors that are just so damn good. Deliver so much functionality in such a simple item that really like how well Rosen thought through that product. We just also had enough volume with them, we reduced the price. So they're available on the website. There's a universal version, and then there's the version we use in the production units. So I encourage you to check those out. For rugs, we did the Hargarten wool square weave lined in Dynamat rubber backed. So obviously, cargo and door panels are the usual fare. So they're laser cut stainless steel, volcanic black powder coated trim bezels, exposed stainless hardware. I hope I'm not making y'all seasick. I'm having a good time though. Power, of course, is coming from our beloved Mustang GT Coyote aluminum 5 injected V8, around 440 horsey and torquey. Power is being sent through to a manual transmission. Holy Lord, thank you all. Love these manuals. Ace and Warner AX15. That in turn is sending power through to the Atlas 2 twin-stick shift on the fly part-time four-wheel drive 2-speed transfer case. Next in line comes 1310 U-joints, custom drive shafts, which then ends up at the Curry Industries built Dana 44 front, Dana 60 high pinion rear, with all the best internals, 100% brand new down to the castings, and then ARB locking differentials in the front and rear with a dedicated air compressor, and the amazing Icon sport brakes done by our buddies at Bronco. So you get 6-piston front, 4-piston rear, Hydro Boost assisted, and a dedicated manual parking brake. Suspension, proprietary baby, Icon coil over suspension all the way around. No horse and buggy leaf springs to be found here. You've got all Fox Racing sport suspension for Icon, which denotes that you have the nitrogen charge and the remote canisters. You have 2 tunable aspects for low speed and high speed return rates. And then you have Eibach coils and tunable sway bars. Standard fare BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, and you have the new school forged Icon made in California 18-inch aluminum wheels with the floating center caps. Headliner on this one is a murdered out black Alcantara. Again, copious amounts of Dynamat hiding beneath it. This truck is pretty much ready to be delivered, so it's been through all QC, which means for once I'm able to actually show you our nifty goodie bag. So when you get the winch, which is standard with the new school, you also get the recovery gear bag. So we've been using a good bag for a while now, but we decided that our relationship with Jim, a great company in Montana called Red Ox. So Red Ox's principal market is police, firefighter, and military. So everything's built to make it quick and easy to identify which compartment you need to tear into to get your snatch block or recovery gear, or whatever it is you're hunting for. And we're really happy with it. Really nice product. Tempted to put them on the site. If people tolerate the price point, I probably should. I think they're probably about $450 in game. If so, I'll sell them. Really good product. Also, we have the machined Icon pen, which usually is one of the last things that we fit. So I was glad it was here so I could show it to you. It's made first by Boker in Germany, and it's a really good product. Really nice, durable Icon volcanic powder coat finish, rifle action, and just a pen, but it's a really nice pen, and it's cheap. We sell those too. Also, every Icon, I have my J. Ward Leather Goods brand. That's my new little upstart effort as a master leather craftsman. Something to develop my design language and just launched that brand. I mean, launch is a fancy word for published the content, sitting hoping people buy them, but they're doing pretty good already. We do flasks, we do 5 different wallets, we do 3 different bags, all unisex, 5 different colorways, all vegetable tanned, high quality leather from one of the oldest tanneries in Italy, and linen lined when lined at all. We don't sell them, but every Icon gets delivered with not just the USB stick on the keys that have all your care and feeding and content manuals and instructions and owner's manual, but also printed forms of all of that content along with spare keys and other doodads. So we make these lovely little bags that use the same hardware that we utilize on our soft tops, and we use Wicked and Craig, made in Pennsylvania, vegetable tanned leather and Chilowich inserts. When we have the time, we really like to do those custom if the interior is custom materials, so it fully matches the truck. We just don't always have the luxury to do that. In this case, we ran the standard Chilowich one. It works out just fine. But these are great to have. They fit into the seat back pockets, and hold all the information you would ever need. So there you go. That's all I got. Really appreciate your time and attention. Please like, share, subscribe, all those beautiful things that really do make a difference for small businesses. Be kind to yourselves, kind to others, good to the planet, and we'll see you on the next one.